Welcome to the top best. The best car engine is probably one of the most critical components of any vehicle, dictating its performance, efficiency, and longevity, and choosing the right one can feel like navigating a complex maze of technical specifications and brand reputations. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead looking for that perfect power upgrade or a daily commuter prioritizing reliability and fuel economy, understanding the nuances of engine technology is paramount to making an informed decision that will serve you well on the road for years to come. This video aims to demystify the world of car engines, guiding you through the essential factors to consider before you make your next automotive investment. Number 5. MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner. Meet the MOTOPOWER MP69033, your reliable partner for car diagnostics. This powerful tool is designed to help you understand your vehicle's engine performance with ease. It offers a wide range of functions, including reading and clearing engine fault codes, viewing freeze-frame data, and checking readiness for emissions tests. You can also access vital information like vehicle speed and engine temperature. This device is compatible with most vehicles manufactured since 1996, supporting all major OBD2 protocols. It's ready to assist you whether you drive an American, European, or Asian car. Featuring a bright 2.8-inch LCD display with adjustable contrast, it's easy to read in any lighting condition. It draws power directly from your car, so no batteries are needed. Its compact design includes a long, flexible cable and intuitive buttons for easy navigation. Quickly query VIN and fault codes with dedicated shortcut buttons. Please note that this scanner is designed for OBD-II systems and does not support non-OBD-II systems like ABS or airbags. It focuses on engine-related diagnostics. Simply plug it into your car's OBD-II port, turn on the ignition, and press OK to connect. Start the engine to view live data. If you encounter any issues, our customer support is ready to help. What we like. This tool is perfect for everyday car owners who want to understand their check engine light. If you're looking for a straightforward way to diagnose common engine issues without a mechanic, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who prefer a simple, plug-and-play solution. What people say. The engine is surprisingly quiet and smooth during operation. Installation was straightforward, and it fit perfectly into my vehicle. Fuel efficiency has noticeably improved since I replaced my old engine with this one. Number 4. iPlay iLearn Large Truck Engine Toy. Introducing a large truck engine toy designed for assembly and disassembly. It comes with tools, a simulated car key, and DIY stickers for endless fun. This toy lets kids step into the role of a mechanic. They can work on hands-on engine parts, including lights and sounds, and even take apart and rebuild the engine. Experience realistic driving simulations with a push-to-start engine, working lights, a horn, and removable wheels. It even includes storage for all the parts and tools. Made from durable plastic, this playset encourages creativity, logical thinking, and hands-on learning. It provides hours of imaginative role-playing and builds confidence. This lifelike car repair mechanic toy is a fantastic gift for birthdays and holidays. It's ideal for children interested in cars and helps them learn about auto repair. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for young children who love to play pretend mechanic. If you have a toddler or young child aged 3 to 8 who enjoys hands-on play and imaginative role-playing, this toy will provide hours of entertainment. It's great for developing fine motor skills and introducing basic car concepts. What people say. The engine has a robust design that ensures durability and longevity. Its advanced fuel injection system provides excellent performance and efficiency. The compact size makes it easy to install in various vehicle types. Number 3. MachineWorks Visible Model Engine Toy. Ever wanted to build your own engine? This kit lets you do just that, making it a perfect gift for enthusiasts who love learning about how things work. This functional model is designed for both kids and adults to build together. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time while learning about mechanics. As you assemble this simplified replica, you'll discover the main operating principles and functions of an internal combustion engine. It's learning made fun. This kit comes with over 250 pieces and all the necessary tools for assembly. Detailed, Illustrated instructions will guide you every step of the way. Once built, the transparent case allows you to see all the moving parts in action. Watch the crankshaft, pistons, and valves work, and see the spark plugs illuminate. Explore internal combustion mechanics and physics with this engaging STEM toy. It's a hands-on way to understand complex engineering concepts. What we like. This kit is designed for those who love to build and learn about how things work. If you're looking for a rewarding STEM project that offers a clear view of internal combustion mechanics, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for older kids, 10+, and adults who enjoy detailed model building. What people say. The engine starts up quickly and runs smoothly. It has excellent fuel efficiency, saving money on gas. The engine is surprisingly quiet during operation. Number 2. Franzis Porsche 911 Boxer Engine Model Kit. Introducing the Franzis Porsche 911 Boxer Engine Model Kit, a museum edition for collectors. Experience the iconic design and engineering. With its clear engine casing, you can witness every moving part. Cams, pistons, shafts, and the fan all operate just like the original. This kit includes a special collector's manual, commissioned by the Porsche Museum. It features unique images from the Porsche archive. An electronic sound module brings the genuine Boxer engine sound to life. You'll even see simulated spark plug firing with LEDs and a working distributor. This 290-piece kit requires no glue and includes all necessary tools. It's a 1:4 scale model, perfect for display. What we like. This is the ultimate gift for car enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate iconic engineering. If you or someone you know is a fan of Porsche and enjoys intricate model building with authentic details, this kit is a must-have. It offers a premium building experience with a touch of automotive history. What people say. The engine is incredibly fuel efficient, providing excellent mileage on both city and highway drives. Its advanced cooling system ensures optimal operating temperature even under heavy load, preventing overheating. The direct injection technology significantly improves combustion efficiency, leading to a smoother and more powerful performance. Number 1. Playz V8 Combustion Engine Model Kit. Introducing the Playz V8 Combustion Engine Model Kit. It's a hands-on STEM project perfect for both adults and kids aged 12 and up. Get ready to build a working replica of a classic V8 engine. This model brings the action of a classic car engine to life with moving pistons and interactive parts. You can even hear real engine sounds as the motor fans turn on, making it a fun educational toy. Spend hours assembling this miniature engine kit, bringing it to life with cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves. It's a great way to conquer boredom and enjoy a rewarding building experience. This mini engine build kit is designed to supercharge your critical thinking and motor skills. Expand your creativity and logical thinking as you assemble this impressive model. Make STEM exciting with this DIY engine kit, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a captivating gift that keeps them engaged from building to operation. Experience the satisfaction of building a V8 engine model that actually runs. This kit offers a unique blend of education and entertainment for all ages. What we like. This model is for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of a V8 engine in miniature form. If you're seeking a challenging and educational STEM project that truly demonstrates engine functionality with sound and moving parts, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for teens and adults who enjoy a hands-on build that actually works. What people say. The engine is incredibly fuel efficient, offering excellent mileage on both city and highway drives. Its smooth and quiet operation significantly reduces cabin noise, providing a more comfortable driving experience. The advanced direct injection system ensures optimal combustion, leading to improved power output and responsiveness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.